Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. Shahjo Risalo is a famous book of A. Shah Abdul Latif, B. Shah Jahan, C. Shah Waliullah, D. Shah Abbas. Answer is A. Shah Abdul Latif. The highest range of Kirthar is A. Zardak, B. Kirthar, C. Ketu, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Zardak. The capital of Uzbekistan is A. Bishkek, B. Almaty, C. Tashkent, D. Astana. Answer is C. Tashkent. What is fiqh? A. The science of astronomy, B. The science of medicine, C. The science of engineering, D. The science of Islamic law. Answer is D. The science of Islamic law. The acceleration caused by gravity is A. 32 feet per second square, B. 9.8 meter per second square, C. 6.67 into 10 raised power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, D. 25 kilometer per hour square. Answer is A. 32 feet per second square. Imam Bukhari was born in A. 570 AD, B. 194 AH, July 2810 AD, C. 632 AD, D. 1000 AD. Answer is B. 194 AH or July 2810 AD. The world's largest producer of uranium is A. Russia, B. Canada, C. Kazakhstan, D. Australia. Answer is C. Kazakhstan. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice (ICJ) is located in A. The Hague, Netherlands, B. Geneva, Switzerland, C. New York, USA, D. Vienna, Austria. Answer is A. The Hague, Netherlands. LCD stands for A. Light circuit display, B. Linear control device, C. Limited capacity display, D. Liquid crystal display. Answer is D. Liquid crystal display. Who was the Federal Minister of Education in 2021? A. Parvez Khattak, B. Asad Umar, C. Shafqat Mahmood, D. Fawad Chaudhry. Answer is C. Shafqat Mahmood. What was the old name of the Netherlands? A. Holland or Dutch Republic 1581 to 1795. B. Finland. C. Amsterdam. D. Rotterdam. Answer is A. Holland or Dutch Republic 1581 to 1795. What is considered the heart of Pakistan? A. Islamabad, B. Karachi, C. Lahore, D. Peshawar. Answer is C. Lahore. When was WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority, established? A. 12 February 1956, B. 12 February 1957, C. 12 February 1958, D. 12 February 1959. Answer is C. 12 February 1958. What organs clean the blood? A. Heart and lungs, B. Kidneys and liver, C. Stomach and intestines, D. Spleen and pancreas. Answer is B. Kidneys and liver. Who won the 2018 FIFA World Cup? A. Brazil, B. Germany, C. France, D. Argentina. Answer is C. France. Which philosopher refused to take the Nobel Prize? A. Friedrich Nietzsche, B. Immanuel Kant, C. Jean-Paul Sartre, D. Socrates. Answer is C. Jean-Paul Sartre. At what age did the Holy Prophet participate in the Fujr War? A. 15 years, B. Between 14 to 28 years, C. 20 years, D. 25 years. Answer is between 14 to 28 years. How many months in a year have 31 days? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer is C. 7. What is the title Atiq associated with? A. Hazrat Umar Razilullah anhu, B. Hazrat Abu Bakr Razilullah anhu, C. Hazrat Usman Razilullah anhu, D. Hazrat Ali Razilullah Anhu. Answer is B. Hazrat Abu Bakr Razilullah Anhu. What is the circumference of the earth? A. 40075 kilometers. B. 36524 kilometers. C. 42160 kilometers. D. 38460 kilometers. Answer is A. 40075 kilometers. How many bones are there in the human body? A. 200. B. 206. C. 210. D. 216. Answer is B. 206. When was Chaudhry Rahmat Ali born? A. 16 November 1895. B. 16 November 1896. C. 16 November 1897. D. 16 November 1898. Answer is C. 16 November 1897. When did Queen Victoria pass away? A. January 22, 1899. B. January 22, 1900. C. January 22, 1901. D. January 22, 1902. Answer is C. January 22, 1901. What is the world's second largest Muslim country by population? A. Pakistan. B. Indonesia. C. Bangladesh. D. Nigeria. Answer is A. Pakistan. When was Zabur revealed according to Islamic tradition? A. During the time of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. B. During the time of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. C. During the time of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. D. During the time of Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Answer is D. During the time of Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.